Clayton and Aiden are our very first two registered apprenticeships, where they're actually working from 7 in the morning till, well, it was supposed to be 11, but you two have gone a little further, push it till 12:30, and then they come to school here. They take a science class and English class, and then they go out to the Belong Technology Center and they take the coursework that's related to what they're going into, and the school district is paying for those classes. So that's kind of how this is all working. Their work that they do down for Arconic is called on-the-job learning. The courses that they take out at the Belong Technology Center are called the related trainings. The two go hand in glove. You do the training and you do the on-the-job work. You get both. And they're getting paid. So we're covering the cost of the class. They're getting paid while they're doing the work. I mean, it's a heck of a deal. So if somebody says, well, if you pay me to go to school, okay, yeah, we are. How about that? And we're paying for the schooling. What happened with the Gene Haas grant that Mr. Franzenberg and Mr. Hausman wrote is the school district is only allowed to pay for the college classes from basically August 23rd when school starts till June when school ends. If you want to take any classes after that over the summer, well then you have to pay for it. And that can be a barrier for some folks. Well, in steps the Gene Haas grant. That is a scholarship that can be used to pay for those classes if they're related to robotics or related to machining, something like that. And so that is exactly what this presentation is about, is that Clayton, Aiden, and Jacob have signed up for CAD 140 out at the Belong Technology Center, and they've signed up for the metallurgy class. And this scholarship is going to pay for the tuition for those classes. So I mean, it's a heck of a deal. So as you kind of think about this and you're going through the classes, whether robotics or whatever you might look at, we're constantly adding more of these registered apprenticeship opportunities, and also trying to make sure if we can cover the cost of the classes, the tuition of the classes, that we're doing that. So this is in uncharted territory as far as we're concerned, but we're really excited about this, and you are in a fantastic field right now to be looking at opportunities way beyond just, not that Mr. Franzberg is doing a fantastic job, but there's some opportunities that you can get paid while you're going to school and do this stuff. So listen to him, he'll guide you right, and Mr. Halpern. So that's kind of what this is about.
If you are sophomores through juniors, we are having a presentation tonight to talk about both the certifications and apprenticeships. If you and your folks would like to come, it'll be 5:30 in the library. So you are more than welcome to attend. We'll be able to answer any of the questions that you might have or your parents might have.
So,
well, thank you for the explanation.
Yeah.
For the kids.
So pay attention, watch what's going on, because you might say, well, that's far down the road. No, this starts junior year. These opportunities start your junior year. And it starts with the coursework. And then the coursework opens up a whole bunch of other opportunities. So, all right.
Do you mind if
Thank
I
you.
add one?
Yes.
So, hi guys, I'm Hope Riskin. I'm the Education and Events Coordinator for Productivity. We're a machine tool dealer, so we actually don't make anything, but we sell the machines that make stuff. And so with manufacturing career pathways, there are so many pathways that you can get into. It's not just running a machine, it's not just, the robotics side. I mean, there's so many different things. I have been in the manufacturing industry for close to 30 years. I've never run a machine, but I've been on the manufacturing side, and I've seen how things get made, basically. And there's just so many pathways. So think about it. If you like to problem solve, if you like to figure out how things work, how many of you have ever taken things apart to put them back together? Okay, that's manufacturing, you guys. Okay, because we need people that want to think about that want to figure out how things are put together and how things work, because everything around you is manufactured, right? Everything from, like, these books were manufactured, your clothing, your shoes, your house, your car, everything in this world is manufactured somehow.